Hey, it's Derek Jones, and today we'll be trying out the ESUN Clear PLA. I need this for a project. I've never used it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And we're going to be printing at about 190 degrees to start, and we'll try a couple different variations. We've got a lot of parts to print, so we'll see how this stuff works. All right, let's open this stuff up. See how it does. Nicely sealed. And I really like the spool. I love these clear spools because you can see what's happening, and that's an important thing. Now in the background you can hear another printer going, so I apologize. Amazon has resealable bags, and I really think everybody should embrace that. It makes life easy. However, it looks really good. So I'm going to open it now, and all this stuff, the printer, the plastic, everything I use is available in my links below. So let's open it up. Ooh, and it smells like good PLA. There's a smell to PLA, especially when it's high quality stuff. You can just smell it. So now, gotta find the end piece, which I am having trouble. So the clear stuff is hard to see. There it is. So they've done a nice job. It's nice and taped. Gotta like that. So let's get that tape off. They've taped the end piece for us. Alright, so there it is. And this is really good looking plastic. I gotta say, the clear, there's no bubbles. And the project that I'm doing is this complex piece. This is for a customer. It is a cable end for an empty cable. And drew it up on Fusion 360. Alright. Now I've just put a little bit of Elmer's board mate on there. Works really well. We're going to print from the SD. Still running a little of the black out, but that's just the wrap, so it shouldn't make much of a difference. I gotta tell you, this stuff is printing just beautifully. I'm at 210. I was gonna do 190, but I forgot to change the parameter. It's a little hot for PLA, which is pretty interesting because it's still printing just fabulous. And it turned out